Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to list an item on the Depop app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to list some clothes on Depop. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the Depop app. Next, you want to go ahead and create an account if you haven't already. Now, click on Sell on the bottom middle hand side. And then if you haven't clicked on this before, it's actually going to ask you for your date of birth, your first name, your last name, your billing and shipping address, and then your information like that. So once you fill out that information, you're going to be able to list an item on Depop. We're going to click on Add Photos. We're going to allow full access. So we're going to use this shirt here as an example. Now afterwards, it's going to go ahead and enter what the shirt is about. So Depop does use AI to go ahead and fill out the description. So just make sure that's accurate. And then afterwards, you can see that it enters that it's a men's polo shirt. It enters the brand, the usability. Just make sure that the condition that you set is accurate as well. And then for the price, we're just going to set it up for $20. Then click on Done. Now for shipping, you can decide whether you want to ship based on package or whether you're shipping from. We're just going to do where we're shipping from. And then click on Post Listing. So we're actually just going to do small, confirm, post. So once you click on Post Listing, sorry, I forgot to select the size. So this is a size medium. Our first item has now been listed on the Depop app. So what we can do is that once we have your first listing on the Depop app, you could actually go ahead and copy that listing. So in order to do so, you could actually click on Sell, then click on the top right-hand corner where you see the copy icon. And then you could actually copy a listing if you have different variations of that listing. Additionally, you can click on the folder, and then this is where all your drafts are going to be. And any incomplete listings are going to appear here as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and list an item on Depop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.